Hello everyone, 7th grade student. As you know, we have done the reading of chapter number 3 and question answer also. Now today we will do the page number 48, and this topic is very useful for your practical life. Okay, so it is very important part in your speaking French. So today we will discuss about the time. So how we call time in French? It is heure. So l'heure means the time. So le style famille, the informal style, how to ask time from someone. Okay, so how to speak for asking time in French is like that. Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? What is the time? Or you can say quelle heure il est? Say quelle heure? It is what time? Or and in formally way, you will speak quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il means what time is it? So to ask a time in French, the question is quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? So here today we will learn how to speak time, how to tell time to anyone in French. But for that student, you should know the counting. Okay, you should know the counting in French, only then you can speak. So for student, I suggest you firstly revise the counting and then do this topic. So here we start. If 1 o'clock, then how you will speak? Il est une heure. Il est une heure. As you know, UNE is 1. So il est une heure, it is 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock, il est 12 heures. Il est 12 heures. 11 o'clock, il est 11 heures. 12 p.m. p.m. we say il est midi. Midi means noon. Okay. So 12 p.m. we speak il est midi. Midi is 12 p.m. 12 a.m. we will speak il est minuit. Minuit means, you know, nuit means night. Minuit is midnight. Okay. So next is 9:15. 9:15 for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is quart. Okay. So 9:15 we will speak il est 9 heures et quart. Il est 9 heures et quart. 9:30. 30 minutes is demi. Demi means half. So 9:30 we will speak like this. Il est 9 heures et demi. Il est 9 heures et demi. Il est 9 heures et demi. And 9:30 and 9:45 you just say it is 10 means 10 o'clock less 15 minutes. Okay. So how to speak in French the 9:45? So il est 10 heures. Il est 10 heures. 10 heures moins quart. Quart is 15 minutes. So if we reduce 15 minutes from 10 o'clock, then it become 9:45. Like as 10:35, il est 11 heures moins 25. Moins 25 you have to say. Or the other thing is also, don't make it so complicated. Just say simply il est 10 heures. What is 35? 35. So simply say il est 10 heures 35. Don't need to complicate it. Okay, il est 10 heures 35. Il est 10 heures 35. Now 10:40 il est 10 heures 40. 10:50 il est 10 heures 50. Okay, you should know the counting up to at least 60 to do this exercise. Okay, so 10:30 you can also say il est 10 heures 50, and you can also say il est 11 heures moins 10. So because 10 minutes are left to be 11 o'clock, so moins 10 you can also speak. Next part of page number 48. So these all are the time. So fastly I am reading it for you. Check out the pronunciation carefully. 10:30 is il est 11 heures moins 5. 5:05 il a sank 5:10 il a sanker these 5:15 il a sanker a car 5:20 il a sanker vent 5:30 il a sanker a dummy 5:35 il a sanker Trondsank 5:40 il a Caesar moi vent. Here one more option is there. You can just simply say il est sanker quarante, or you can say il est 6 moi vent. 5:45 il est 6 moi quart. 5:50 il est 6 moi 10. 5:55 il est 6 moi 5. 6 o'clock il est 6. Okay. Now the next page, page number 49. To ask time in French, the informal style is commonly used rather than the formal style. Okay, so for example, 2 o'clock you will speak informally to 12 heures. So the shortcut of is H. In the short form, we just write down H, not full spelling. So 7:10 is il est 7 these il est 7 5:50 15:15 is il est 15 il est 15. The usage of am and pm in the time is used only in English, not in French. We usually if you are using the 12-hour clock, if you are using the 12-hour clock, then you have to speak 6 a.m, 2 p.m, 6 p.m. So for am, you just have to add due mata. Due mata means at the morning. It is the 6 o'clock in morning. So 2 p.m, those are the l'après-midi, the afternoon. For 6 p.m, the evening, 1 p.m, time is du soir. So this you have to add if you want to add am, pm in French. But in French, they don't use the 12-hour clock, they use the 24-hour clock. So there is no need to say du matin, après midi, du soir. The formal time 24-hour clock is commonly used in railway, flight time, schedule, offices and banks, etc. So I hope this is clear to you. Now this page, next part, page number 49. This again they just giving the time. So 1 p.m. you just write down 13h. Okay, how to speak il est 13 heures. 9 p.m. it is 21 hour. So il est 21 heures. 11 p.m. it is 23 hours. So il est 23 heures. 10:45 it is 10:15 it is 10 hour 15. Il est 10 heures 15. Il est 10 heures 30. Il est 10 heures 45. Il est 10 heures 35. Il est 10 heures 40. Il est 10 heures 50. Il est 10 heures 55. Il est 12 heures. Il est 0 heures. 0 heure they speak at 12 a.m. They consider it as a 0 hour. So for example, il arrive à quelle heure? When you want to ask a question in French, il arrive à quelle heure means he arrive at which time. So the answer is il arrive à 9 heures. 9 heures. So note the cardinal and ordinal numbers in French refers to déjà appris. Student, this déjà appris is a part that is given at the back of your book. So to refer the déjà appris, so we have to open the back pages of your book. So let us open. So student, this is your page number 164 in your book. So this is the déjà appris part in your book. So cardinal and ordinal number today we will do in French. Cardinal number you know very well, like simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ordinal number means first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So if you got any position in your class, then you will not say I am 1 in the class. You just say I am first in the class. So you are using here ordinal numbers. So how to write down ordinal numbers in French? So 1 is premier means first. 2 2 is, now only you just write, just learn the first premiere is different. Otherwise you just do one thing, you just write down the same, and you just have I, E avec grave, am E. You just have this, okay, to make it into a ordinal. In every sentence, in every number, just add this. For example, trua. If you want to say third, then just write down trua and I, E, M, E at the end, so it will become troisième, quatre, quatrième. So to make a cardinal number and ordinal number 1, I, E, M, E is added to the number, okay. But if number is ends in E is removed and then I, E, M is added. So one condition they are saying that if the number is ending with E, for example, quatre is ending with E, so here you have to remove this E and then add I, E, M, E. Now exceptionals are there. For you have to learn some other word, that is premier. And in cinq you just add U also, and neuf you have to cut the F and V. You have, now exceptionals are those things that you have to learn separately, that are not following the rule. What is the rule? I told you the rule to make the ordinal number, you just add I, M, E at the end of the number. But some exceptionals are there, only 3 exceptionals are there, learn it. Otherwise the same rule is following till 100. I think it is clear to you. So premier means first, and dernier means last. Premier and dernier, first and last. So I hope cardinal and ordinal numbers are also clear to you. So student, this today's topic was very important for your daily practical life. So try to learn it, try to speak in French, try to tell the time in French only. Okay student, au revoir, and please give your feedback. Are you getting all the videos? You can write down in the comment also if you don't have your number, if you don't have my number, or you can take my number from your in charges and you can ask any doubt anytime. Okay student, au revoir, bye bye, abhi, see you soon.